Welcome back. Today we're going to be installing my new wheels on my A90 Supra, so let's get started.
So just real quick before I continue on with the installation of these wheels, I do want to go over some specifications on them. So they are a Inky Racing GTC02 wheel, with the rear being a 18 by 10.5 plus 35 and the front being an 18 by 10 plus 32. I am running a 305/35 on the rear and a 275/40 on the front. It did take me almost a year to get these wheels, as they did come from Japan. And then also they sat on the shelf for almost another year just due to the fact that I wasn't ready to install them yet. But now I'm ready to install them because I needed the stickier tire for the new power of the top mount setup. So let's go ahead and get these installed. Offset that I chose is pretty good. It meets pretty flush. You could go a plus 32 in the rear, but I did choose a plus 35 just because I am running a little bit meatier tire. I didn't want to have any clearance issues, especially when I lower the car. Just real quick to go over a couple of things I already did here. As you saw, I did have a stud conversion already put on this car. Now these are the titanium racing stud conversions. These lug nuts are just some generic titanium lug nuts that I chose. When you install the studs, you definitely want to make sure you pay attention to the instructions that comes with them. The Racings are very specific about putting on their lubricant on the threads, which is kind of like a lube slash Loctite, and then torquing it to 25 inch-pounds. You also need to let the lubricant set for about 24 hours before you put any type of wheel on them. So I'll go ahead and get the other wheels installed, and then hopefully we can lower this car down and see how it looks. Now mind you, I do have coilovers coming, so it is at stock height. So it's still gonna look good, just won't look as aggressive as it will when it's lowered.